The jury special award is really a special award with which the jury was willing to award to a certain project that had certain identities that allow it to be in a certain way a more general project which could have a wider perspective and could, let's say, have a sense of the reason why we have awarded it on different level and in different respects. And I think this is a real special project. I'm talking about the winner, which is the Civic and Cultural Center in Palencia, again Spain. And I welcome the architects, Angel Sevillano Martin, José María Tabuyo Rodriguez, Exit Architects, and Eduardo Delgado Orusco. A few words about this program. It is quite a program, I must say, because it was a former prison and with a certain history connected to the Franco era. And when the project started, the first question was, shall we demolish this building because of the bad memory and the fact that it is so hard to renovate it and give it a new program. And indeed, the fact that you turn a prison into a civic and cultural center and in opening up to the community, per se, it's a masterpiece of a program. And in a way, you were able to keep the identity of the place. And I've read that one of the reasons why it's been kept and not demolished is because of the very special and particular use of brick, which is a very historical and traditional issue. And you kept the shell, the envelope, and completely transformed the interior to give it floor to the new program. But you had the great idea of transforming this project into what I call a lantern at night, because you had an issue with natural light. The building was dark, it was closed, of course, because of the previous program. It had no natural light. And you open it up with the use of these skylights from above, and these give incredible natural light in the inside during the day, and they allow, with artificial light, to turn the project into lantern at night. So it was really a smart solution, and there is also a very smart use of zinc, because zinc separates the traditional brick material and the new volume, which is an addition on top of the former complex, and separate the contemporary use of glass and the old appearance of the brick. And this separation create a very dynamic, but also very geometrical and precise project. And its overall appearance is exceptional. So, first of all, what did you think when you were appointed to design a civic center in a place which once was a prison, and how did you approach the brief?
Well, first of all, it's a wonderful explanation of our project you have done. Well, this was a competition held by the City Council in Palencia in 2005, and we tried to, as you said, to respect the brick pavilions that we think that they are, as you can see, they were in very good shape, and open it to the city. In the competition, we can say that we kept the external wall that surrounded the prison, but the neighbors of the zone, the neighborhood, were asked by the city council about the project, and they thought that it would be a good decision to remove that wall, and we transformed a little bit the first design of the competition, introducing this you can pass this external pavilion that unites the several brick walls and pavilions, and we think that it was like opening it more than it was at the first time, to open the civic center to the people, to the place, to the city, and I don't know, as you can see that, and as you have said, we tried to open the small pavilions with small cells that were into it, with introducing those skylights, bring natural light. But during the construction, we discovered also that as you have said, that skylights would be at night a wonderful lanterns that we can give to the city and to the building, and that at first we haven't thought about it, but as you can see, the result is we're very happy with that night appearance of the building.
And in regards to the choice of material, of course, brick was mandatory. It was the reason why the former building was not demolished. And how did you decide to use zinc? Why was that the choice? What did it allow you to doing? And what's the balance between I was saying before, the transparency of a glass and the materiality of brick? Would you like to say a few words about this?
Yeah, really, zinc was a fast decision, because we need a material that traditional. We thought of a traditional material that could go well with the brick, but also zinc gave us the opportunity to combine with glass also, and the durability and the watertightness, and also we were searching some kind of material that could combine with the modulation of the U glass. That you can see we tried to, there was also an idea to make a facade that were with different materials, but were in the same model.